What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be unboxing this iPhone SE first generation or the 2016 version here. So I've been trying to get one of this device even though this is only a second-hand version. Since as we all know, the third generation has been released just recently, around March. So I'm trying to test the first generation or the first version of it. And with this, we have here a free casing provided by the seller. So shout out to the seller with Shopee where to sit. Their I think our phone, their store. I'll be putting their link below. And this is the iPhone SE Silver. This is a 32 gig version. So let's just remove this rubber band and just inspect the box first. So as you can see, of course, this is a second-hand version only, so it's not a brand new one. Let me just rip this off and open this box now. And there we can see the iPhone SE itself. So there's no like real plastic anymore since that is secondhand. Then we have some paperworks here and a charger, which is a surprise. So thank you, seller, for providing also a charger. So let's remove the iPhone SE from its plastic. So here it is. So first impression here, it's really looks good and still premium. And shout out to the seller here. It's really in good condition still. There's not a lot of scratches that I've seen. And for a second-hand phone, it's almost like a brand new here, to be honest. So as you can see here, there's already a fingerprint scanner or the home button. And we also have like the headphone jack, which is rare on these days. So let's try to boot this up. All right. And there's the Apple logo. And let's just wait it to fully boot up. So here it is. And I guess the password is just 000s. And here's the home screen. So as we all know, it's still supported by iOS 15, which is very amazing for this old phone, which is almost like 6 years ago when it was first launched. And its battery health is still in 100%. So I guess they already changed the battery since there's a second-hand phone. And as you can see here, to be exact, it is under 15.2 iOS version. So I tried to fully set this up now, and based from my experience here, it's really smooth, fast and fluid. Even though this is a really old phone, I'm really shocked on its performance. So this is powered by A9 chip with a 2 gig of RAM and 32 gig of storage. So I'll be testing this for a couple of days and I'll be posting a full review for this phone. So that is my unboxing and my first impression for the iPhone SE first generation in 2022. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.